Y'all know Wifey, breakfast for dinner. Once again, y'all. Let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. And of course, I had me a steak, so you know I had to go and rain on it. Hit it with a little salt and some fresh pepper. And of course, if I want that steak cooked right, you know I'm gonna go ahead and sous vide it. So we vacuumed it down and got it right into that water bath at 135 degrees for 2 hours. Now after those 2 hours was up, I went on, got me some bacon in the pan, started frying off my wife's bacon. And oh my goodness, ain't nothing like some good fried bacon, y'all. Love bacon. Don't care if you're just using it for flavoring or just eating. But today I won't have none because it's all going to Wifey. She gonna be smiling, y'all. She gonna be smiling. But anyway, once we get one side crisp, of course we gonna give it a flippy flip. And sometimes you might need to press that bacon down after you flip it, just so you can flatten it out so you can get an even cook on it. And as soon as that bacon get good and crispy, gotta get it on out, y'all. Gotta get it out. And once we get it out, we gonna add my steak. Now, of course, we got this pan screeching hot because all we trying to do is get a real quick crust. So about after a minute and a half, we gonna go and give it a flip. And after another minute, we gonna get it out that pan. Cause all we looking for is that crust. And then we gonna go ahead and fry us up or lay us down some pancakes. Gotta have some pancakes. Need that little sweetness with your breakfast. But anyway, once you start seeing them pancakes bubble on one side like this, it's time to give them a flippy flip. And then get them right on out. After about a minute or so, they do most of the cooking on that first side. And I had me some hash browns with mine. And let's see how we did with this steak right quick, y'all. Just gotta see that color on it. And oh yeah, we did pretty good, y'all. We did pretty good. But I know y'all didn't think this all I was having. I had to crack me 2 eggs, have them fried, just straight sunny side up. Got them on that plate too. Cause ain't nothing like a good sunny side up egg. And look at that beautiful breakfast plate right there, y'all. I ain't even gotta tell you how tasty this was. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.